guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we have an exciting video for you. A company named FUNLAVIE reached out to us and they wanted us to try out their colored pencils and some adult coloring books, and I wanted to have the girls join me because they like to draw as well, and their stuff is really good. Within the video you're gonna see their different styles. Girls have tried different products in the past. It was very interesting to see like what their thoughts were. You're gonna see what they honestly think, like when it comes to the blending, the texture. I ended up just grabbing a page from the actual, book that they sent me, and I incorporated my own little touch. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it.
And it's enough, I gotta say, it's super important, we all need a place where we can just check in, kick back, unwind, surrounded by widows that feel like mine. These are the people sharing you up, tears for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friendly show, yeah, they got your back. With a love like that, there's nothing you lack. It's more than just being there, it's a vibe, heart-to-heart moments.
So overall, it was a really good experience. We highly recommend, especially if you're looking for budget-friendly art supplies. This would be a good way to start, and especially for the holidays. I think that the packaging of it in itself, it was really cool how it came in like a tube, and the fact that they even include the sharpener. The pencils are comfortable. I was able to blend in the colors really nicely. Color red was the hardest for me to blend in. The feeling of the pencil, the packaging, the booklets that they gave me, I feel like the quality was really good. So I would love it to buy more of their products and see what that experience is like. Would definitely recommend you guys trying it out.
The person that I drew, his name is Satoru Gojo. I feel like his colors were easy to blend with. His palette was easy, and the only problem is that the colors on the pencils, they didn't match what it was showing on top, and it kind of got confusing, so we had to use our little swatches. But I would say the colors are really nice. They blend really well. I would love to see if we could get a bigger pack, get more colors, just more options in general, and it would be cool to use them again because they were pretty nice. And I've used other brands like Prisma. They have somewhat of the same consistency, I would say. It's just one's more expensive than the other, but they're really good and recommended.
With these colored pencils, I feel like they're not bad, but they could have been smoother. Like, I like, in comparison to like the formula of a Prismacolor, I like the Prismacolors because I feel like they're more smoother to use, more easier to blend. I can say though that these colored pencils, they didn't hurt my hands that easily while I was coloring, like a regular like Crayola would. But I don't think they were bad. Like, I think they were pretty good. They could have been a little better with the blending, and the price is very much affordable with a lot of colors. I do agree with what Ari said, that the color does not match the end of the pencil. They didn't have to swatch them.
A more high quality brand instead of Crayola. It doesn't have to be like Crayola.
The sound, it's the sound for me. It's like
She looks like a mess.
what is wrong with you? You're watching. Oh my god, that was funny the way she popped the really. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, that you hit that notification bell, and you also follow us on all of our social media platforms. I will list down in the description box the site, so that way you guys can check it out for yourselves. And again, thank you so much to FUNLAVIE for sponsoring this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.